Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Hills weight management is probably one of the most crucial decisions a pet parent can make for their furry companion's long-term health and happiness, especially when your dog is carrying a few extra pounds and needs a little help to reach a healthier weight, ensuring they can continue to enjoy a vibrant and active life by your side for years to come. Number 5. Hills Science Diet Adult Light Chicken Meal and Barley Dry Dog Food. Introducing Hills Science Diet Adult Light Dry Dog Food, specially formulated for your adult dog. It's made with real chicken meal and barley for a taste they'll love. Achieve a lustrous coat and healthy skin with our formula, enriched with omega-6 fatty acids and vitamin E. These essential nutrients work together to nourish their skin from the inside out. Support your dog's lean muscles with high-quality protein. This essential nutrient helps maintain muscle mass and supports an active lifestyle. Help your dog maintain an ideal body weight with low calories and L-carnitine. This carefully balanced formula supports healthy weight management without compromising on nutrition. Promote healthy digestion with natural fibers. These fibers aid in smooth digestion, ensuring your dog feels comfortable and happy. We use only natural ingredients you can trust, proudly made in the USA with globally sourced components. You can feel confident about what you're feeding your beloved pet. Hills Pet Nutrition is the #1 recommended brand by U.S. veterinarians. Trust in the expertise and quality that professionals rely on for their own pets. What we like. This option is great for maintaining a healthy weight with its low-calorie formula and L-carnitine. It also supports healthy skin and coat. If you have a dog that needs to manage their weight while keeping their skin healthy, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. My dog had problems with obesity and my veterinarian told me to buy this. He's been on the same amount of food, just this food instead of his previous, and he has in fact lost weight. It's very low calorie. She has a lot more energy, is losing weight slowly, vet is happy. I have fed my dog Science Diet many years. Although the packet says 1 to 6 years, I still feed him this at age 11 and he maintains good healthy weight. Number 4. Hills Prescription Diet RD Weight Reduction Dry Dog Food. Is your dog struggling with their weight? This specially formulated food is designed to support healthy weight management in dogs. It's clinically proven to help them lose weight in just 8 weeks. This food contains therapeutic L-carnitine levels. These help to metabolize fat effectively while also maintaining lean muscle mass. It's a key component for successful weight loss. An optimal blend of soluble and insoluble fiber is included. This helps your dog feel full and satisfied after meals, reducing begging and improving adherence to a diet. We've included clinically proven antioxidants. These powerful ingredients work to support a healthy immune system, ensuring your dog stays healthy overall. This is a healthy and delicious food that contributes to a happy pet. It provides the nutrition they need without compromising on taste. Hills Prescription Diet is the #1 U.S. vet-recommended therapeutic pet food. Always consult with your veterinarian to ensure this is the right choice for your dog's specific needs. What we like. This is a therapeutic option clinically proven for weight loss in just 8 weeks. It's designed to help dogs feel full and satisfied, making it ideal for dogs who need significant weight reduction. If your veterinarian has recommended a specific therapeutic diet for your dog's weight loss journey, this is the one to consider. What people say. This prescription diet enabled my overweight dog to regain his stylish figure. My Yorkie has been on this food for a year, even before I moved to the US. I'm glad she enjoys the food and that helps her to maintain weight. This dog food isn't as fattening as other brands and apparently it's tasty enough for my fussy eater. Number 3. Hills Science Diet Perfect Weight Chicken Recipe. Introducing a breakthrough in adult dog food, clinically proven to help manage weight. It's a safe and effective way to support your dog's health. See the difference for yourself. Over 70% of adult dogs achieved a healthy weight within 10 weeks of eating this food. Help your grown dog maintain the healthy weight they've achieved. This formula is designed for long-term success. Beyond weight management, it also supports the maintenance of lean muscle. This ensures your dog stays strong and active. We believe in quality you can trust. This food is made in the USA with carefully selected global ingredients. What we like. This formula is clinically proven to help adult dogs lose weight and maintain it. It's safe and effective, supporting lean muscle mass. If you're looking for a reliable, everyday food that has a proven track record for weight management in adult dogs, this is an excellent option. What people say. My dogs all love this food. I was having difficulty finding something all three of my kids would like, especially with one being a very picky eater. But even the picky eater gobbles this up, and we were having quite an issue getting him to eat before we switched to this. And the picky eater also has a sensitive tummy and can have gas that will peel the paint off the walls, but has had zero issues with this food. Plus, all three of my chubby little monsters have lost some much needed weight, much to my vet's delight. Within a few weeks of eating this food, my dog had lost 10% of her body weight, which was excellent. Her fat pockets have all but gone away and she's getting her figure back. My kids love this stuff. The perfect weight formula has a very strong smell, but apparently it tastes the best. I've never seen my boys so consistently excited to get their regular meals. Also, they both have very sensitive tummies and this specific formula has been great for them. Number 2. Hill's Science Diet Adult Perfect Weight Stew. Introducing Hill's Science Diet Adult Perfect Weight Stew, a breakthrough in weight management for your adult canine. It's clinically proven to help dogs achieve and maintain a healthy weight. This formula provides healthy weight maintenance and long-lasting support. It's designed to help your dog stay at their ideal weight. Crafted with natural ingredients, it's enriched with essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. You can trust the quality of what goes into their bowl. Make mealtime exciting with this savory chicken and vegetable entree. It's a taste your dog will love while supporting their health goals. We proudly make this product in the USA using global ingredients you can rely on. Quality and safety are our top priorities. Hill's Pet Nutrition is the #1 recommended brand by U.S. veterinarians. Trust the experts for your dog's nutritional needs. What we like. This wet food offers a delicious stew option for weight management. It provides long-lasting weight support and is made with natural ingredients. If your dog prefers wet food or you're looking for a palatable way to help them manage their weight, this is a great choice. What people say. This stew is a great mix of big and small chunks of meat, vegetables, and thick gravy. The product helps you navigate what amount of food your pet needs to either lose or maintain weight. This is a great non-prescription alternative low-fat wet dog food for dogs who require a very low-fat diet. Number 1. Hill's Science Diet Adult Perfect Weight Small and Mini Chicken. Introducing a breakthrough in weight management for your small breed companion. This food is clinically proven to help them achieve and maintain a healthy weight. See the difference for yourself. Over 70% of dogs have successfully lost weight within just 10 weeks of switching to this specialized diet. Provide your little dog with the long-lasting weight support they need. It's designed to help them stay at a healthy size for years to come. This formula is crafted to support your tiny dog's lean muscle mass. Keeping them strong and active is essential for their overall well-being. We believe in the power of nature. That's why this food is made with high-quality, natural ingredients you can trust for your beloved pet. What we like. Specifically designed for small breeds, this dry food is clinically proven for weight management. It helps your tiny dog maintain lean muscle. If you have a small breed dog that needs to lose or maintain weight, this specialized formula is tailored for their unique needs. What people say. It's healthy ingredients and my Lessa's reaction to it has just been the best. I never have to coax him to eat. He loves it. I've been feeding my pups Hill's Science Diet for about a year now and switched to the Healthy Weight brand to help them lose some lbs. Along with exercise, they've managed to gradually lose a healthy amount of weight and seem to be in overall great health. My Yorkie was a bit overweight, and by a bit I mean, he was very fat. I tried everything, more walks, less food, organic food, and nothing seemed to work, so this was the last option before having to perform some tests to check if there was something wrong, and miracle happened. He is losing weight. He is almost at his weight goal and vet said everything seems going great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.